I've put some basic textures on this plate. I've actually just printed straight off on a tea bag, just dried out, obviously. Anything with an interesting shape or a texture, as long as you don't mind getting paint on it, will work. I've also just done some of the most basic stuff you can using corrugated cardboard, and I've just pushed out some of the segments, and the result is this plate here with, you can see the tea bag, the corrugations. I'm going to put some gold paint on it. Why not? I've got a new tube of gold paint. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to print it off onto some of my fabric. Let's get into it. I only need a small amount, not much at all. Really, no point in wasting all of this paint. And of course, because I've got 2 layers of paint on this, the bottom layer has been drying for a couple of hours. I am going to be putting this under a weight to get the best possible connection that I can. Carefully putting my fabric on the top, just grabbing my glass, pressing down, and I'm going to grab just a bit of cardboard that I've got sitting there, and hopefully I can find my book. Oh, there it is. My big book, just to get a nice even spread of weight. And of course, my hand weights. And I'll leave that for a couple of hours, and we'll look forward to seeing the result when it's printed off. This ended up being left overnight because life does get in the way sometimes. I'm just going to take all of these things off and see what comes out. And there we go. Tea bag and textured surface.